Hello beautiful people, and in today's video I'm going to teach you to speak on this one particular topic, that is talk about a gift for which you spent long time to choose or make, what it was, who was the person you gave it to, how he or she felt about it, why it took long time for you to choose. देखिए, today I'll be teaching you how to become a good storyteller, because in IELTS it is very important, trust me. You have to cook up a story which is interesting. Agar you'll make a boring story, examiner might not get interested in you, and already the speaking sometimes happen very late in the day. It happens around 4 o'clock and they also get very tired. So you have to cook or you have to make such a story कि वो बहुत interesting लगे और वो अच्छी भी हो. It is not important कि वो सच हो हमेशा, because there are 60 to 70 topics and it is actually not possible कि हमारे पास हर topic के लिए एक story हो. So what I always recommend students is that you should imagine. It can be something which has happened with you. You can imagine and speak that. It can be something which has happened with your friend or with any of your family members. So that way you can speak in a much easier manner. अब जैसे ये वाला टॉपिक है, talk about any gift for which you spent or maybe you actually you took long time to choose what it was and who that person was. अब देखिए, इसमें आप कोई भी गिफ्ट की बात कर सकते हैं. You can talk about any gift you have given to your parents. You can talk about any gift you have given to your friends or maybe to your best friend or maybe to any of your special friend as well. But imagine and always then start speaking. अब जैसे इसमें मैं क्या करूँगी, सबसे पहले मैं हुक स्टेटमेंट बोलूँगी. Hook statement is very important. I have always emphasized and I always tell everybody to speak a hook statement. Hook क्या होता है? आपने start कर दिया. It makes it easier for you to speak and start your topic. अब जैसे इसमें मैं कैसे start कर सकती हूँ? I can begin like this, that I'm a very conscious person when I have to give something to someone. And I make sure that I gift or maybe I give something which can be useful for the other one. And there are many times when I have taken very long time to choose a gift, but just few months ago I took nearly a month to choose something very nice for my nephew Arya Sumant Sapra. I was in no mood to gift him clothes or maybe games or toys because he already has many. And as he was turning 11, so I thought it is the right time to gift him something which can teach him a good, valuable lesson of life. So I spoke to many of my friends and I kept on looking various websites and e-commerce websites, and I kept on searching for some nice thing. But unfortunately, I didn't find anything to gift him very, very nice. So just 10 days ago, his birthday, my friend visited me and she recommended me to buy piggy bank. I was quite fascinated with the idea because I thought that it can be a good way to teach him this lesson of life about teach him this lesson of life that is regarding money. So I searched on Amazon, that's the e-commerce website, and I was lucky enough to get a very nice, beautiful and very interesting piggy bank which was in a shape of heart, red and blue and pink, if I could recall, blue and pink exactly. And there was a dog inside, and when we keep the money and press the button, the dog comes out to take it inside. So without any second thought, I just placed my order, and within 3-4 days the order got delivered, and I was quite happy with it because it was exactly like I thought, it was exactly like it was in the picture. So I took it to the birthday party, and when everything was over, the gifts were unwrapped. Everyone was quite astonished to see something so different coming from my side, and not just my family members. In fact, my brother and my sister-in-law, they were also quite happy. And in fact, my nephew, he loved it completely. He found it very, very interesting, and he asked everyone to give him money so that he can put it in the piggy bank. So later, when I was coming back home, I just told him to save some amount of money from his pocket money on daily basis, and he can buy something what he wants to later whenever he would have good amount. And I think he actually took my suggestion into consideration. And just few days ago, I got his call and he told me that he has saved good 1500 rupees, and he's planning to buy something nice for himself as well as for his younger sister. So that is how I chose a gift for my nephew. Though it took me long, but it was very nice and I completely loved it. And not just me, in fact, my other family members and other loved ones also liked my idea. So that is how you can make a story. Look at it. Like, you have to be as simple as you can be. You can use some good vocabulary words, like I have used second thought, e-commerce, then I also used astonished and unfortunately. You can use these words which can help you to speak better, which can help you to get better bands as well. But make sure, again I'm telling you the same thing, make a good story. Good story will help you to speak better. Good story will help you to fetch better bands. Thank you so much. That is all for today. Have a very nice day.